This needed a 12 by 1 needle. They don't manufacture those anymore. Cross-referenced, I saw that the DB X1 needle is the same size from the tip to the eye and the eye up to the end of the shaft. That's per the ISMAX table. So I bought DB1 needles and ground them off with a Dremel tool. I actually mounted the DB1 in the Dremel and ground the shaft until it was small enough to fit, because the shank for a 12 by 1 is only a 1mm shank, and DB1s are like 1.5 to 2mm shanks depending on manufacturer or the chart you look at. And then the other thing that I had an issue with on this chain stitch Kayanee was getting the timing correct. I was mounting my needle so that the eye was just below the hook when the hook was gathering the loop. However, for this chain stitch machine, the point of the needle has to be low enough to strike the side plate of the hook and collect the loop of thread to form the stitch. So that was the other problem I had with that machine, or with this machine, to form the chain stitch. But that is easy enough to fix, and the DB1 grinding to make it fit in the 12 by 1 collar is good enough that I am going to use that if I have another machine that needs a 12 by 1 needle.